President Aquino cited the role of the Commission on Audit in its campaign for good government in welcoming delegates to the Asian Organization of Supreme Audit Institutions, which the Philippines is hosting. The President cited the Commission on Audit under its chairperson, Grace Tan Polido, for its work in achieving its commitment to our people. And joining us tonight on the line is the chairperson of the Commission on Audit, Ms. Grace Polido Tan. Good evening, ma'am.
Magandang gabi po.
Ma'am, the President cited COA for its contributions in its crusade for good government. Based on what you have done, can you say that government agencies are more accountable and transparent in spending taxpayers' money?
Oo naman po. Since we're now looking at the results of audit of 2012, no? 2011 medyo nakitaan na po namin ng malaking progress, no, in terms of fiscal responsibility and discipline ng mga ahensya. Tapos ngayong 2012 ay umaasa kami na mas maganda pa ang makikita naming figures, no? Although hindi naman natin masasabi na completely we've done away with the problems that we saw in the past, but I think that we're really making good progress. At kaya naman kami ay very humbling talaga yung mabigyan kami ng ganong pag-appreciate ng ating presidente kasi ginagawa naman lahat namin ng aming makakaya para maitaguyod ang ating ang programang Daang Matuwid, no?
Ma'am, with regards to zero-based budgeting, is it more effective and an efficient way of spending money?
Mahirap akong magkomento dyan kasi unang-una hindi namin ino-audit ang budget pa lang, okay? Ang ino-audit natin yung mga paggastos. Pangalawa, yung budget ay ang nakakasaklaw talaga dyan yung department budget. So, siguro ayoko namang pangunahan sila, no? So, I hope you will not mind if we will not comment on the zero budget approach.
Ma'am, right now, was there an overhaul of how auditing is being conducted right now in government since you took over?
Sorry?
Was there an overhaul of how auditing is being conducted right now in government since you took over?
Well, in terms of the approach, it's basically the same, although we've made some improvement. Ang pag-audit namin ngayon ay hindi na kanya-kanyang ahensya, kundi ini-integrate at kino-coordinate namin ang paggagastos ng mga ahensya. Kasi dito natin makikita kung saan talaga napupunta ng pera. In other words, yung approach natin ngayon, we're following the money. Dahil madalas nakikita natin ang isang proyekto, hindi lang isang ahensya ng gobyerno ang humahawak, di ba? Ang pondo nang gagaling sa isa, pupunta sa pangalawa, tapos may mag-implement na pangatlo, o kaya marami pa. A good example of that would be the Malampaya funds. Kasi yung Malampaya, dati-dati tinitingnan lang natin from the point of view of the Department of Energy. Pero ngayon, tinitingnan na rin ang mga ahensya ng gobyerno, whether local or national agencies, na nakakatanggap o gumagamit ng pondo galing sa Malampaya. So now I would say that we have a more holistic view of how government money is spent, no? So isa yan sa mga approaches. Pangalawa, doon sa ating mga auditors din, inikot-ikot na natin sila, mga ilang beses na rin nakapag-ikot-ikot tayo. So yung mga dati na nagbibilang ng 10 taon, 15 years sa isang ahensya na halos doon na sila na-identify, hindi na natin na yon. Hindi na nangyayari yon dahil we constantly move them around. So nakakatulong din yon sa pag-overhaul ng audit kasi there is a fresh look and of course yung familiarization na medyo delikado kung minsan na-avoid na natin.
Ma'am, in this new approach na ginagawa ngayon ng COA with regards to the auditing, nakikita niyo ba na mas mababa ngayon ng corruption level?
I would not use the term corruption because really that is a conclusion of fact and law, ano. Ako, I will only speak about what we see, and we see less irresponsible or unauthorized
Or let's say a better way of spending, optimizing the use of the money.
Yes, yes. So, use of the money and resources of government.
Are these all being shown in the website, or anything to be more transparent in the spending of these agencies?
Ang mga reports naman namin ay lahat naka-website. Kung basta nakalabas na yung aming report, ina-upload na rin namin sa website. So, maski anong ahensya gustong makita halimbawa ng kababayan natin, ano ang naging pagsusuri namin, anong results of audit namin, makikita po natin doon sa website ng COA.
And ma'am, finally, gaano ka-significant yung conference that you are hosting right now, showing the world that good government is now in place in the Philippines and wala nang room for grafters in government?
Well, very significant in two ways. Unang-una, yung ASOSAI, which is Association of Asian Organization of Supreme Audit Institutions, no, ang kanilang programa din ngayon, no, ay nakafocus sa dealing with graft and corruption, no. So parang swak na swak tayo ng agenda. Pangalawa, ang ASOSAI ang aming kumbaga source ng mga capacity building, yung mga training, yung mga bagong pamamaraan, yung mga bagong areas of audit like environment auditing, which we will now undertake starting this 2013. Ano? Lahat yan ay natututunan natin through the ASOSAI kasi ito na kumbaga yung embodiment ng best practice. Kasi natututo kami sa isa't isa from our fellow Supreme Audit institutions from all over the world.
Okay, on that note, thank you very much for joining us tonight. That was Chairperson Ms. Grace Pulido-Tan of the Commission on Audit. Thank you, ma'am.
Maraming salamat at mabuhay po.